Man, I woke up early today thinking I'm gonna go for a run or something. You know, the entire new discipline thing and all of that. But it's so cold in Bombay that I spent half an hour sneezing. Just sneezing, half an hour. And now it's already 8:30. I'm now just heading to work. There's a package from the guys at Adidas that's waiting for me there. I don't know. I'm gonna go there, do a quick unboxing video and on feed. And I can't stop. I can't even breathe. Man. I mean, I love the winters, but this is just nasty. I need to fix my nose. I'm so sorry. It's the winter and I just can't handle the cold. I think I have very low resistance to it. But hey, with that out of the way, look at this banger box. It feels like it's some kind of a vault of some sorts. Like you can see, unlock innovation right there. And as you would know from the title, and as you can see on the box, it's the Ultraboost 20. Yeah, they spelled my name a little wrong there. But look at this insane packaging, like big ups to the guys at Adidas. They always get their boxes bang on. Solid. But let's pop this open. After that, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, bam. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's a ticket to an event that I wasn't able to make it to. But then the real treasure. I can't live this box. I haven't been working out. There you have it, the Ultraboost 20. Let me get the other sneaker out of the box as well, because this is a very interesting pair. Right, so the Ultraboost 20. Year on year, Adidas has been making so many improvements to their flagship runner. I mean, I have on the OG Ultraboost right here. I mean, this one till date remains my favorite. I love the pattern of the knit, the overall silhouette, and it somehow feels like they have mirrored that, because they have all this is iridescent. It kind of looks purple in the light. See what I mean? But yeah, they've been making quite a few upgrades to their flagship runner, and let me take you through this one. Now, this specific pair is in collab with the International Space Station. So from what I hear, they're sending out a bunch of boosts to the International Space Station, and they're going to run a few tests to see how they hold up. But let me take you through a few key differences in this pair. The Ultraboost that I've owned are the 1.0, like you saw. I have had the 2.0, I still have the gold medal, and the 3.0, but never any other version of it. Like I didn't try the Ultraboost 19. And the first thing that I noticed was this heel frame right here. You see that? In comparison to the earlier versions, where you had a heel cup on the back to hold your heel in place, this one comes with a 3D heel frame. The heel frame is supposed to provide you with additional support, and also it locks your feet in place, gives you adaptability and support and whatnot. I can clearly tell that the kind of primate they've used on the 20 is way different. This one's more matte, and this one's got a bit of shine or gloss to it. And the interesting part is the reinforcements on the toe box area. You see this right here? It's got like a double stitch of some sort. Like from whatever I've read, it's like some advanced primate upper, and they've used like a tailored fiber placement technology. So what this makes sure is that when you're running, it doesn't blow out or it doesn't give way. So additional support on the toe area, or the mud guard as they call it, right there on both sides. Of course, you've got your standard continental outsole. It's a lot different from the one that came on the earlier versions. This one is like something that they call a stretch web, and they have your torsion spring construction right there for enhanced support. The cage is very different too. You see how it is? It's like one piece like that, unlike the earlier version which had cutouts. This one's like a proper one piece, and you have more of that iridescent treatment like on the 3D heel cup. Neoprene on the back right here, very alike the 1.0. They have a neoprene here. The 2.0 and 3.0 had prime knit all the way around, and of course you have your wafer thin upper that stretches all the way in there, whereas on the 1.0 you had a neoprene lining on the inside. Like I was saying, this is a collab with the ISS, so you have that branding on the tongue there, and I love this. On the inside you got the branding and a few stars. I wonder if it's the same on the other pair. Oh no, this one says the Adidas ISS International Lab. So apparently they're sending a bunch of boosts to space and they're going to test the molding process. That's it for these sneakers. I'm going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like if you're new to the channel. In the meanwhile, if you can just feel bad for me, the fact that I have a cold and I'm still churning out videos for you guys, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.